Melissa and Rain have been wrestling in this building for, 14 years now?
Yes, they have.
Time flies.
2 Shimmer OGs against the weapon of ass destruction.
Woad.
Woad. I like that, Woad. We're just, Woad. Yes. Oh. Can I just call her Woad from now on?
I think so.
I don't want to keep having to give dollars to the cuss jar.
The first fall to determine the winner in this 3-way. I would time out.
You know, Rain has pulled this trick before. I don't know. She says time out, get worried.
Is this part of the mind games?
Maybe?
Handshake.
I would never trust Rain for a handshake. Never. Ever, ever.
Because she'll do that.
Yes. Told you, don't trust her. Oh,
Friendship.
No.
Melissa and Rain working together here. As the Buns of Steel chant goes up at the Berwyn Eagles Club. Melissa pounding down across the back.
You know, I've never been in the ring with Double D, but I have been in the ring with both Cheerleader Melissa and Rain, and I know they hit extremely hard.
Yes.
So I hope Double D really does have buns of steel, because she's going to need them. And a back of steel, and a chest of steel, and everything else. A head of steel.
Maybe steel plates.
She might need some steel plates after this, yes.
More teamwork here from the Shimmer Originals, Melissa and Rain. It is every woman for themselves in this matchup, so you gotta wonder just how long they're gonna be helping one another out. Only one person can be going for a cover when it's not elimination rules in this match.
Yeah.
Only one of them can win.
That is true.
So it's only a matter of time before Melissa and Rain start battling one another.
I don't know, maybe they had a little talk backstage and planned some stuff out.
They can't be co-winners, though. Snapping elbow drop there from Cheerleader Melissa.
Well, they don't seem to mind the other one going for a cover. We'll see what happens. I don't trust either Cheerleader Melissa or Rain, though.
How strong are you? How strong your booty? How strong your booty, baby?
How strong your booty is? Is that what I just heard? Oh, is she gonna?
Oh, she just did more damage to herself. Rain, she's gonna be limping now. Now Melissa's gonna give it a shot. They're trying their best. I mean, like Arn Anderson, pick one body part, stick to it, work it over the entire match.
Oh!
But it has no effect when they try to work over that body part. And now, well, Dementia DeRose getting the better of both Melissa and Rain here.
Oh! Wow.
Oh.
I mean, I guess if you're, practicing with getting hit by steel chairs, it does make your buns pretty sturdy.
Sturdy, I guess.
I'm sorry, I've never had to commentate on a match and talk about somebody's butt, so it's different.
Not usually. There's maybe a Chris Candido match several years ago. An unfortunate situation happened after a sunset flip.
Yeah. But that's not the case here.
That's not the case.
She's using her butt as a weapon.
As a weapon, yes.
Which is actually quite unique.
They
and,
kind of
you know,
used to do that from time to time.
Yeah.
Up to the second row, Melissa trying to save Rain. Nobody home.
I think she was too busy jaw-jacking with the crowd. She didn't even look before she
didn't
leaped.
realize
she
just
didn't
went.
look before she leaped.
She just went.
Oh.
Kamikaze? Oh no. Going for the kudo. Can she elevate her? No! No! That is the perfect counter to the kudo driver attempt.
Huh. I think they came out thinking this was going to be an easy match for them, Cheerleader Melissa and Rain, and they're wrong. Wait.
But they can't be co-winners. It's who gets their hand raised? Both of them? This is some strange officiating right here. Co-winners.
Huh.
This is an interesting rule. I don't know if this should stand. This should be reviewed. We should look at the tape. We should interrogate this official.
I'm confused. Yeah. Well, he's new to me, so maybe he's new. Is he new? Is he a new ref? How long has this ref been
perhaps they
working?
insisted count, and he didn't want to be on the receiving end of a kudo driver himself.
That's
I
true.
don't know.
That's true.
Well, Cheerleader Melissa and Rain, the co-winners.